Honey, what is this?
This one is my afternoon tea today. Oh, hot ginger tea.
Looks pretty nice.
With
Like in the
the
winter
honey.
country lah.
Look, so nice.
With the ambience of the
Yes.
forest, almost like in my country in Europe. Forest, rain, foggy. But this is Bali, we are not in Europe, right?
Alright guys, how are you today? I hope that you are doing well. Today we are going up north, a little bit east. But here is we are in Kintamani area, but we are not facing the Mount Batur. Here we are just like behind the Mount Batur, but behind me is very beautiful pine trees. So enjoy. We will have a afternoon tea here.
Oh, yo, what's up? Finally, we go somewhere different than the only south. It's so cold. This is the first time when I got warm water in restaurant in Bali. Can you imagine that? People have imagination when you're coming to Bali. It's just so hot, but here is so cold. Actually, I'm so grateful for the warm water lah. And yeah, I'm gonna have my beautiful chocolate mousse to kill my diabetes. No, I don't have diabetes, but we are joking on the way as I eat a lot of sugar nowadays. But
Because you are as sweet as sugar. Okay, I order my salad today. Not nasi for lunch. And Damian feel like he just want to have a sweet. And
big rain lah.
yes, look at surround the place where we are. Very beautiful pine trees. Still like we are in Christmas, right?
Yeah, like in Europe lah. Almost. There is little bit a sitting area outside. You can sit inside or outside, but check this out. This weather is like really winter in Europe or something like that. Anyway, we are only the one customer right now. There is a beautiful lady cleaning and Sayang. Honey, what are you looking for?
Oh my God, I feel like very peaceful, you know, like listening to the sound of the nature, fog. I
It's
don't know,
really foggy.
Damian told me that this is really look like in Poland. I never been to Poland before.
I mean, the architecture not, but the landscape, yes. In the forest, little bit, similar. Anyway, there is the beautiful hotel also. This is not only restaurant, it's also the hotel. As you see, some bungalows over there and the fish pond. I mean, the only what you can see because it's very foggy.
And we are on the way home. Still rain, foggy,
Little traffic.
traffic, yeah. So as we are in Kintamani, Kintamani is also famous for the orange, fresh orange. We decided to go buy orange. Jeez, look.
What are you doing? Okay,
My
let's go.
my mouth is foggy.
Okay, let's pick up some
Let's buy
some orange.
orange.
Actually,
And then,
this is, I think, the local house.
yeah,
The
so we
ladies, her field must be outside the house, which is not
okay,
so bad.
Bu.
Where are we
we
going?
walk.
Lah?
So we are going to the orange farm.
Oh, okay.
We will pick up the orange.
Okay.
Oh, look at this. This one, this original Balinese house. And look. The yeah, Bu. This one, the what is it called? The traditional kitchen.
Kitchen.
Okay.
And Ibu.
Okay.
Okay. Oops.
Oh.
So we are looking for orange.
Yes.
And this is already the orange trees.
Yeah.
So you can
Oh, look.
make a warranty as everything will be fresh.
Fresh. We will pick up the orange.
Oh,
fresh
so many chickens also.
from the. Okay. Fresh from the trees. Pick up in the rain.
Pick up in the rain with the umbrella on. That actually looks a little bit silly, but it's actually rainy.
Okay. Yeah.
Bali jeruk is a little bit different. Bali orange is more likely green, like this, not
Bu.
like in the.
Tapi yang matang niki, Bu. Yang kuning. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, okay.
What did you say lah?
Huh?
What
I'm
is it?
asking which one should I, pick. So this one, the yellow one. The smell so good. So this one is the fresh from the tree. Jeruk napi namanya nih, Bu? Jeruk siam. Okay. Right. I pick up. So Kintamani is also famous for the
Bisa saya masukin sini.
nggih, silahkan Ibu. So if you are in Kintamani, make sure you also have this
try.
one.
The fresh from the tree.
This one. Look.
Di kulkas nih.
Iya, kayak di kulkas, Bu. Fresh. Yeah.
Siam tapi nggak mesti nih.
Okay, so now it's time to weigh it.
2,5 kilo ini.
Okay. Yeah. So it's time to weigh it. So it's 2.5 kg. Yeah. So it's about 50k. 50.
Oh, okay.
2.5 kg. Yeah.
Yo, thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Makasih, Bu. Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Kintamani trip. So we were in Kintamani, one of the restaurant facing the pine trees, but we didn't go to the restaurant overview the Mount Batur, because we know that in a holiday season it must be busy with the people taking pictures, something like that. We just want to go to the peaceful place. Okay, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya,
Bye.
take care, guys.